You're welcome back to the CapCut video editing class using your personal computer. So let's continue on the introduction to the basic tools on this app. So lest I forget, talking about audio, actually there are some sound that you might need, but you won't find it here on CapCut. You might not find it here on CapCut. So I'm just going to recommend 3 sites for you where you can go get those sound effects. Though they are not free, you are going to pay for them. You are going to pay or subscribe in those sites. Yes. So number one of the sites is MixKit. Yeah, mixkit.com. We have another one is soundq.com. So, and the third site is called voicemode.com. Alright, so moving to the next, we have the text tool. So this tool allows you to display whatever text or write up you want on your work. So all you need to do is click on this and click the plus icon. So here is the text here. Here is the text. So just let me bring it here, drag it to this. So you click on it. So to edit it, you come to this top right hand side. Then you highlight you type in whatever write up you want to put in there. So it's as simple as that. Now you can also change the font size, you can change the font itself or pattern. So just see all of this. You have the presets. Yeah, so you can pick any one of your choice. And also we have text templates. See, but before that we have the bubble. Just pick any one of your choice. We have the effects also. So just pick any one of your choice there. So coming back to this text template. So can you see we have all sort of, as many as possible. Yeah, we have so many templates here. So moving to the next, we have the auto caption. Yeah, so this one automatically generates captions for your video. I'm going to talk more about that in another course. So also the next, we have the sticker where you have subscribe button, the Facebook logo, and all of that, as you can see. So we just download any one of your choice there and make use of it. So we have the effects. Yeah, so we have the blurred effect, we have the zoom lens, we have all of that. So click on it and you're going to see the work. As you can see, right, see it here. So when you want to make use of it, you just click on the plus button. So this is the effect here. So if you want it to appear at this particular point of the video, you leave it here. But if you want it to appear at the very beginning of the video, you just take it to the beginning and that's it. So this is where it ends. So after that point, the effect is going to disappear. So we have as many as possible here. Alright, so we move to the transition. So the transition means how videos, how they change from one particular video to another, how they transit, how they change. So let's make use of this first. But let me make use of this mix. So you download it and you make use of it. So all you need to do is drag it. So transitions are always in between videos. So you drag it and place it in between right here. Alright, so that's it. So let me play and you see can you see that? So let me place it in between this place. Okay, you know what? So alright, so Moving on, we have the caption also. That's the auto caption. So we have the fillers. You can just go through them and you're going to, can you see? So just download anyone and use it. Now the adjustments, we already talked about that, which is the color grading. Now coming to this middle part. So coming to this middle part, so the basic tools there, they are just this one. You click on the select. You click on select to be able to select any of your two. So you click on this for split, but you don't really have to click on that. Now to split your video, your work, all you need to do is, okay, let's say is at this point you want to split. All right. So all you need to do is click on that particular place. Can you see the ruler already comes there? And you click on your video, then this is the split to. But a shortcut to do that is Ctrl B. You just click on Ctrl B, so can you see the video has been splitted. Also, there are a lot of shortcuts on this app. So to learn those shortcuts, you come to this top hand side of this workspace, and you click on it, and you get as many shortcuts as possible. So if you feel there's a need for that, you can actually learn them, and that's all. So moving to the next one, we have the reverse. Yes, reverse. The reverse too. Okay, let's say for instance, someone in this particular video, okay, let's make it now. In this particular video, this guy was moving from this. Let me delete this. This guy was moving from this from the right hand side to the other side. So let me reverse it and you see the work. Okay, so let me play. So can you see that I reversed the video, and this is mirror. Yeah, the mirror, like it changes where a particular video faces. So can you see? Let me do that now. Can you see that? So the video was actually facing, okay, let me say the person in the video was actually facing the left hand side, but now I've changed it, making the person to face the right hand side. So let me change it back. So this is to rotate, this to rotate, and here is for voiceover. You just click on it and you start recording your voice for voiceover. You click on this and start. Okay, so alright, so and as for this here, that's if you want to have a very visible, you want to, this tool makes you to have a very visible view, yes, on the video you're working on. So it makes your video or the video you're working on very visible, yeah, large enough, big enough for you to see. But when you reduce it, it will be too small for you to see and work on. Can you see that? So increasing it, you have a better view of it. So I think that is also, if you have any question to ask, you can drop any of the question on. Okay, so for the video, for the audio too, so when you want to work on the audio of a particular video, so you can actually increase the volume or you reduce it. Now if you notice, as I'm dragging this forward and backward, this particular place of the video is going down and coming up, going down, coming up, going down, coming. Can you see? Going down, coming down. That is something that you can actually, instead of coming to this place to do the increase or reduction of the volume, you can actually do it here. So once the arrow turns this way, yeah, you can actually drag it, increase it, and bring it, reduce it. Okay, so Now we have the next is we have the fading. Yes, that's like the audio comes in a very soft tempo. So yeah, let me use that way. It comes in a very soft tempo, and the fade out, so you just drag it in, and the fade out also comes in a very soft tempo as well. So let me make use of this for you to see. So you drag it in. Okay, let me play. I'm coming. Let me reduce this video so you can hear that particular song very well. Can you see that? So it comes in a very soft tempo, and also fade out, it disappears. Sorry, I have to work on this one. So, and this, it goes out in a very soft tempo. So this is where if you want to work on the audio, or you reduce the noise, enhance the voice, separate audio and all of that. So just explore them and you discover more. Okay, and you discover more. So we have voices here. You can, this is like a voice. So we have voices here, so you can pick anyone. You want a robot voice, you want a baby voice, or whatever you are going to see there. So we have the voice changer also, is kind of the same, and you have the speed. You can decide to increase the speed of the audio you are using or reduce it. So it is as simple as that. So those are the basic tools you need to know on this very app as a beginner. Now, once you are done with whatever thing you are doing, so to save your work, you export. So to export, you can actually rename your file here, the name of your work here. So let's give it CapCut, and so here you select where you save your work. So let's say desktop, and okay guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and any question you have, you can drop in the comment section and I'll reply every one of your questions. Thank you. See you in the next class.